Hello student, today I discuss about nucleus, another important part of cell. Nucleus discovered by Robert Brown, and nucleus is called brain of the cell because it controls all the metabolic activity of the cell. That's why it is called brain of the cell. Then location. Where it locates, suppose this is the cell, the center of the cell, the nucleus is present the center of the cell. In case of animal cell, it is called centric, and in case of plant cell, it is called eccentric because it's away from the center due to present large vacuole in plant cell. This nucleus is eccentric position. Okay, and in case of prokaryotic cell, true nucleus is absent. Then number of nucleus. Number. Each cell contain mainly one nucleus, but some cell contain two or more nucleus, like paramecium. Contain two nucleus. Paramecium contain two nucleus in one cell, and rhizopas, it contain more nucleus in cell. Okay, that's about number of cell. Then shape of cell. Mainly nucleus different shape is there. Sometimes spherical, round, oval, different shape is there, but mainly common shape of nucleus is circular in shape, and in oval shape nucleus present in smooth muscle. Okay, that's the introduction. Then some cell does not contain nucleus, like in plant cell a mature in animal cell the mature RBC does not contain any nucleus. Okay, and in plant cell sheep tube in plant cell does not contain any nucleus. So RBC is the mature RBC in human beings or mammalian does not contain nucleus, and in sheep tube of phloem, component of phloem does not contain in plant cell any nucleus. That's the introduction of nucleus. Then component of nucleus. What are the component present in nucleus? The four component mainly present in nucleus. Number one, nuclear membrane. Number two, nucleoplasm. Number three, nuclear chromatin. And number four, nucleolus. These are the main four component contain nucleus. Suppose this is the structure of nucleus. Suppose, okay, the nucleus, that's outer membrane. This is outer membrane. It is called nuclear membrane. There present some transparent liquid, transparent part. It is called nucleoplasm, and there present some thread-like structure. This is called nuclear chromatin, and another round structure, dense round structure is present. It is called nucleolus. These are the four components present in nucleus. Now I discuss one by one in details. First, nuclear membrane. Suppose nuclear membrane like this. These are the double membrane cell organelle. Two membrane is there. Okay, and this outer membrane, these are the inner membrane. Okay, between two membrane there is a space. It is called perinuclear space. Okay, and the outer membrane, these are outer membrane. This outer membrane also connect with endoplasmic, this is ER, endoplasmic reticulum. And endoplasmic reticulum contain some round structure. It is ribosome. It is ribosome. So outer membrane of nucleus is contain ribosome. So two membrane, outer membrane and inner membrane. The outer, between two membranes is a gap, perinuclear space, and the outer membrane connected with endoplasmic reticulum, and they are also present ribosome. Then 80S types of ribosome is present there. Okay, this is the outer membrane, and the inner membrane also present, and in inner membrane also guarded by a membrane. It is called filament of lamina protein, made by filament of lamina protein, which support the inner membrane. That's the two membrane, and fuse of two membrane, outer membrane and inner membrane. When fused, this form a pore-like structure. It is called nuclear pore, and the number of nuclear pores depend on the function of the nucleus. Okay, and the nuclear pore also guarded by a nucleopore complex. It is guarded by nucleopore complex. They are present a round structure like this. It is called annulus. It is called this round structure. It is called annulus. Like this round ring-like structure, it is annulus, and they are also present a octagonal structure nucleoplasmic protein. Octagonal structure nucleoplasmic protein. So annulus and this protein form this complex. It is called nuclear pore complex. Nucleopore complex. What is the function of this nucleopore complex? It helps to transfer of RNA and protein from nucleus to cytoplasm, and cytoplasm to nucleus in both directions. This is the main function of nucleopore complex. Okay, and the diameter of this pore, the diameter is 800 Armstrong, but the diameter of this lumen, this is the tubular structure which connect this lumen's diameter is 200 to 500 Armstrong, the diameter. Okay, that's about the nuclear membrane. Then nucleoplasm, the inner membrane, inner nuclear membrane, they are present a transparent granular substance. It is called nucleoplasm. This nucleoplasm contains DNA, RNA, and some enzyme also present there. This enzyme helps for replication of DNA, and they are also present magnesium and manganese divalent. These are the activator of enzyme, helps to activation of enzyme. That's the nucleoplasm. Then another is nucleolus. Nucleolus is very important, a round structure present on the nucleus. This round structure, this nucleolus does not cover by any membrane. No membrane is there, but it looks like a cover. Why? Now because they are present one chromatin. See the structure, this nucleolus. These are the chromatin. This chromatin, this is the perinuclear chromatin, form like a cover-like structure, but don't have any cover in nucleolus. Okay, these are the perinuclear chromatin. This is the outer membrane. These are the inner membrane. And also nucleolus contain matrix and thread-like structure, and some round granular structure also present. Some their granular structure is present. This is called ribonucleic protein. This is called ribonucleic protein. This ribonucleic protein helps to formation of ribosome. Okay, and the site of the nucleolus depend on their function. When more proteins needed, that time more ribosome needed, and that time so the structure of nucleolus also increase, because this is the ribonucleic protein, this is the granular ribonucleic protein helps to form ribosome. So when ribosome more needed, the structure of nucleolus also increases, and the large nucleolus present in oocyte and small nucleolus present in sperm. Okay, that's about the nucleolus. Okay, then another thing is there, nuclear chromatin. These are nuclear chromatin. They are present some thread-like structure. These are the nuclear chromatin. These are nuclear chromatin. Okay, these are nuclear chromatin. This nuclear chromatin means during cell division it dense and form chromosome. Okay, this is the chromosome during cell division. Okay, and I will discuss this about the structure of chromosome in next class. Okay, and today nuclear chromatin, two types of chromatin is there. Two types of chromatin. One is euchromatin, another is heterochromatin. Euchromatins are genetically more active and transcriptionally active. That's why euchromatin. These are the euchromatin. And heterochromatin transcriptionally and genetically less active. These are called heterochromatin. And heterochromatin also divided into two parts. One is constitutive chromatin, another is facultative chromatin. And constitutive chromatin present all cell and in all stages, but facultative chromatin present in special cell and special stages. Like in human bar body, female bar body is the example of facultative chromatin. Okay, that's about the